Hola chicos, today we're going to talk about the verb tener. For this exercise, you're going to need una hoja de papel, también un lápiz o un bolígrafo para tomar apuntes. So you need a piece of paper, pencil, pen to take notes for the verb tener. Here we go. Tener means to have, and you use it very often in Spanish, to have. We use it in English a lot as well. And tener has 6 different forms. It has to change according to the subject. So we're going to draw our little houses, which is 2 columns by 3 rows. So on the left-hand side of your chart, you have your subject pronouns that we've talked about. You have yo, tú, él, ella, and usted. Yo means I. To say I have, you do not say yo tener. You have to change tener to match yo. And you guys actually already know this one. To say I have is yo tengo. Repite, tengo. Muy bien. And yo tengo means I have. The to form of the verb tener is tienes. Tú tienes. Repite, tienes. Muy bien. And that means that you have something. So yo tengo, tú tienes. Él, ella, usted, to say he or she or you formal has, you would say tiene. Él tiene, ella tiene, and usted tiene. And that means has. He has, she has, and usted has. So, repite. Yo tengo. Tú tienes. Él, ella, usted tiene. Muy bien. Now we're moving to our plural subject pronouns. Our plural subject pronouns are nosotros and nosotras, which means we. You have vosotros and vosotras, which means you all or you guys. And you have ellos, ellas, and ustedes, which means they meaning all girls, or ustedes, which also means the same as vosotros, you all. So the nosotros form of tener is tenemos. Repite, tenemos. Muy bien, it means we have. To say that you guys have, or y'all have, you would say tenéis. Repite, tenéis. Muy bien, and it means y'all have. And then to say that they have, you would say tienen. Ellos tienen, ellas tienen, ustedes tienen. Or 2 or more people or things, like los chicos tienen, las chicas tienen, los estudiantes tienen. That means the plural form, they have. So copy down your chart. Yo tengo, tú tienes, él, ella, usted tiene, nosotros, nosotras tenemos, vosotros, vosotras tenéis, and ellos, ellas, and ustedes tienen. Tengo, tienes, tiene, tenemos, tenéis, tienen. Awesome, perfecto. So how do we put all this together? Práctica. If I want to say, I have 5 books. I know yo is my subject pronoun. I need the form of the verb tener, so look at your chart. And then I need you to say 5 in Spanish, and I need you to say books in Spanish. So write that down for me. I have 5 books. Translate that. If you put, yo tengo 5 libros, you are correct. Fantástico. Yo tengo 5 libros. I have 5 books. Let's try another one. Nosotros, so we, have 10, and that's a picture of a bicycle. So I need you to write down, how do you say we have 10 bicycles? You would match up your form of nosotros with tener. So nosotros tenemos 10 bicicletas. We have 10 bicycles. Nosotros tenemos 10 bicicletas. Awesome. Number 2. You want to say ellos, they have 3 ice creams. They have 3 ice creams. So ellos match up your form of the verb tener. It's not tengo, it's not tienes, not tenéis. What would it be? You wrote down, ellos tienen 3 helados. You are correct. They have 3 ice creams. Yay! Ellos tienen 3 helados. What else do we need to know with the verb tener? Sometimes we match up the verb tener with the word que. In this sense, though, it's not going to mean to, and it's not going to mean what. Like sometimes we'll say, ¿qué hora es? What time is it? Que, right? In this sense, que does not have the accent, and it means to have to do something when it matches up with tener. So to state what you have to do, like your chores, Like, I have to take out the garbage. I have to wash the dishes. Or, hey, can you come to the party this Friday? No, I have to work. So sometimes we say this all the time, like have to, or often, sorry. So in order to come up with your statement, to say you have to do something, the first thing that you need to do is, according to your subject, who has to do it, you need to conjugate the verb tener to match the subject. For example, if I want to say I have to do something, I would say yo tengo. The second thing that I need to add to my sentence is add the word que to signify that I have to do something. So yo tengo que. And then the third step is to complete your sentence with your infinitive or your unconjugated verb. What do you have to do? So if I want to say I have to eat, alright? Like, hey, can you come run a mile? No, instead I'm going to be lazy and I'm going to go eat. So I have to eat would be yo tengo, I have to, que, and then comer would be to eat. So yo tengo que comer. Nope, sorry. Yo tengo que comer. So, your formula, what does it look like? You need your subject, for example, yo. You need your verb tener, which would be tengo. You need que, and your infinitive would be comer in this instance, to eat. Now, to say I don't have to eat, alright, I don't have to do something, you put the no in front of your verb tener. So you would have to say, for yo tengo que comer, you would say, yo no tengo que comer. I don't have to eat. Let me give you another example of what this looks like. To say that the students, or not the students, the boys and girls, they need to study, right? I would say los chicos. I would change tener to match los chicos, which would be tienen. I need que to say that they have to do something. And what do they have to do? They need to study, which is estudiar. So los chicos tienen que estudiar. So make sure you write down your formula as well as an example of how to use this formula. Now, using this formula, you have 4 sentences. Translate the following into Spanish. The boys have to play soccer. The boys have to play soccer. So can the boys go home? Nope, they have to play soccer. Number 2, the students have to go to school. The students have to go to school. You can't stay at home, you have to go to school. The students have to go to school. Number 3, the teacher has to drink water. We talk all the time, all day long. You have to drink water. So the teachers have to drink water. The teacher has to drink water. Sorry. The teacher has to drink water. And number 4, you're translating. They don't have to watch TV, right? They don't have to watch TV. They can get out and play sports, or they can get out and do their homework, right? You don't have to watch TV. So I want you to translate, they don't have to watch TV. Now go back and use your formula for these 4 questions. I'm going to be checking for these 4 tomorrow. When I'm checking for your notes, I'm going to be checking for your houses of tener, your formula of how to say someone has to do something, and 1 through 4, your translations of the following. Alright, buena suerte, good luck, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.